What is up, people? Steve Craven, Applying Pressure Podcast. I got to meet this man, Kevin, at the AI4 event in Las Vegas. Kevin, you got to have the coolest name in the entire building for a company, and I'm not talking about Kevin.
Yeah.
Tell us about Vultr.
Yeah, so I would like to say that people always ask me, like, how do you pronounce the name of your company? I'm like, Vultr, like the bird, and they're stunned. It is the coolest, most iconic brand name. Now, when I joined the company, I didn't really know what to do with the name. I thought to myself, okay, this company's really cool. We're gonna pioneer this new rollout of infrastructure to power AI in the enterprise. And then on my very first day of work, the founder of the company wanted me to basically roll out this whole new brand campaign to basically make people love Vultr. And the concept was have a paid actor dressed up in a Vultr costume running around. And I thought to myself, okay, that might not hit the sweet spot. But what do I do with this brand name? But as it turns out, it's super cool because our mascot is actually a little vulture, and our little vulture is a plushie, a round plushie that is an angry bird. And we actually have like an Angry Bird game that you can play with it. And you can throw it with your dog, you can give it to your child, and it's literally the most popular thing in the world. We'll have to get you one. Everyone loves our little Morty, our little Himalayan vulture plushie.
So you've taken a aggressive bird.
Yes.
Now, by the way, before I say this,
Yeah.
Vultr stands for something that is pretty solid, pretty aggressive, pretty stand up, it doesn't get more solid than this.
Right.
Tell me how Vultr and what it means to exactly what you do and what people can expect out of this.
Right. So at the end of the day, what do? We actually run the infrastructure that operates all of your AI models. So whenever you're going to something like a ChatGPT or you're going into Claude and you're generating code or you're asking a question and having content generated, all of that AI model, it runs on infrastructure.
Sure.
And that infrastructure is powered by GPUs, graphical processing units, CPUs, central processing units, and it's connected with a ton of networking, a ton of storage, and a whole bunch of other stuff,
Sure.
right? That critical infrastructure is what we do, and we are the specialist in. We deliver the highest performing infrastructure to power your models the most cost efficiently. So if you're looking to build, run, and scale AI models, the best place on the planet to do that globally is Vultr.
So what you're saying though is you all have everything built into one.
Correct.
It doesn't get no better. You don't have to take 3 or 4 different models and put them together to try to make it work.
Yeah.
You have the full infrastructure inside
The full
and out,
infrastructure.
start to finish. This is your AI model right here. This is exactly what works.
We are full stack AI infrastructure to run and scale any AI model globally with the greatest performance and the lowest cost, because performance and cost matter. I mean, at the end of the day, when you're using an AI model, you're consuming and generating a ton of tokens, and you need that to happen fast, and then you need it to not break the bank. So that's why we do it here at Vultr. And again, that gets to the name. At the end of the day, we're going to modernize your cloud infrastructure, and we're going to eat your tech debt because we're Vultr. So
That's right.
all that old stuff, we're going to eat it all up, and we're going to give you the new modern infrastructure.
So in a nutshell, you're telling me that just going to Vultr actually pays for itself in a nutshell.
100%, 100%. So here's a dirty little secret that we love to share. So it's really not that big of a secret, is that if you look at your current applications that you run in the cloud, right? And applications can be anything,
Sure.
right? It's your website, it's your employee portal. All of those applications run on infrastructure, they run in the cloud. So what we do is we run all that same applications on our infrastructure, but we'll cut your cost by like 80%. So you'll get the same cloud services that you would from like AWS or Google Cloud Platform, but we're going to operate it at 80% lower cost. And then what do you do with that cost savings? You deploy all of your AI models.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
at the end of the day, moving to Vultr is like this costless exercise. You invest a little bit of time, but what you get out of it is you get an incredibly new full stack AI infrastructure that outperforms anything else and lowers your cost of doing business. I mean, the economics of Vultr cannot be beat, hands down.
It's fair to say, though, that in the beginning, you might invest a little bit of time, but once you get it set up, initially this thing should be saving you time, money, and everything.
Oh, 100%.
The effectiveness and the efficiency of this thing it's what you pay for, people. It's just, you all look for effective and efficient.
Yes,
That's
correct.
exactly what we need. We need
right.
effective, efficient, secure, that doesn't break the bank.
That's exactly right. Again, our little Vultr plushie, super cute, is an angry bird, and it's angry at the high cost and complexity of AI infrastructure. So we take that little plushie and we'll throw at people and go, we're angry at the high cost and complexity of cloud infrastructure. Let us help you. We're going to make it simple. We're going to make it super efficient. We're going to make it boring because it just works and does what you need it to do with no fuss, no muss.
So, what is the future look like for you in Vultr? What direction are you all going? Do you have something new you're working towards? Do you have some big goals? Let's talk about the direction you're going. Let's talk about it.
We have big goals. We're just at the beginning of a 30-year journey for building out infrastructure to power AI globally. And in this initial first few years, much of the infrastructure capacity to support AI has been deployed here in North America, which makes sense, right? But we have a mission to democratize access to AI infrastructure all around the planet. And so we want to make certain that, AI infrastructure is deployed wherever people live and work all around the planet. So we're super excited about that mission. And that's going to be a multi-decade journey for us.
It definitely is. And the good part about it is the goal line is not far away, my friend.
Yeah.
What you're going right now in the direction you're going with this whole thing, there is no question. But I really foresee this thing being a household staple.
Yeah.
What I've noticed in business development, which is what I do on my side of it, is AI is scary, ain't it?
Yeah. I don't think so. Again, that's the key is we have to take away the fear of AI, and we have to get people to see why it's so exciting and why it actually helps them. So to your point, we want to make ourselves a household staple because we want to power the AI services, power the AI models that help change the way we live and work and make the world a better place.
Absolutely.
I mean, why not?
The whole purpose of this whole thing is fast, effective, and efficient.
Yeah.
That's the whole purpose. They have everything covered, exactly what you're looking for. It's a little time invested in the beginning, which you do have right now because you can't afford not to have it. It saves you money. And it's going to save you time in the long run. This is a no-brainer.
That's right. It's a no-brainer.
So listen, man, it's been real. It's been fun. Y'all got the coolest name out here at the AI4 event. Kevin, my friend,
great to see you. Thank you so much.